Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can change the language on your Google Maps app. So let's get right into it. Now, this article on WikiHow, which I will be using because I'm having some trouble currently with my phone, is on how to change the voice. However, I will be covering how you can change the language for Android because the way you change the voice on iPhone is the same as changing the language, and it's done through system settings and not through Google Maps. But without further ado, let me show you how this is done. So on Android, you're going to tap on your profile icon at the top right, and you're going to go into settings. Now, instead of navigation settings at the very top, you should see a setting called app language. You just want to tap on app language, select whichever language you want, and then that should be it. However, if you want to change the language of the voice, just go into navigation settings, go into voice selection, change the language, and that's it. You can also go into assistant to add other languages, but that is pretty much it. Now on iPhone or iPad, which is a bit different, as I've mentioned, to change the voice language, you're going to need to change the system language as a whole because Maps doesn't have any options within iPhone or iPad to change those settings by itself. So what you're going to need to do is you're going to navigate into settings. Then in settings, you're going to go over into general, and from general, you're going to go into language and region. Here you'll see a list of all available languages, and you just need to add a language by clicking add language and then selecting whichever language you would like to add. And once that's added and fully loaded, it'll fully also change the language of your Google Maps app on your device. However, it does come at the downside of changing your entire system language, but it is what it is. Sadly, that's all there is for iPhone, but other than that, that's all there is to it for changing your language. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.